Should you tune your 370Z? What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Welcome back to my channel. How's everybody day going? It's such a beautiful day out, bro. Look, the sun is setting right now. It's such a beautiful day. But today I'm gonna be talking about if it's a good reason to tune your car, your 350Z, your 370Z, G35, any VQ you got. My answer is yes, definitely. You should tune this thing. Cause like, look, just look at this beauty, man. Like, look at it. As y'all can see already, if y'all follow me on Instagram or if y'all subscribe to my YouTube channel, you can see from my reels and everything. This thing right here is a dragon. This thing shoots like some crazy flames, like all the way out here, bro. It's crazy. It gets crazy. But there's a couple pros and cons. If you should get it tuned or not, it do come with a little. It depends on who you get tuned with. I got tuned with Admin. I got dyno tuned. If you want to go check that out, I posted a video on that. I got dyno tuned months ago or last month. I'm not too sure. Ever since I got tuned, I had no problems at all. But yeah, I had one problem. One of my coil pack went out and it was misfiring for a little bit, but I changed that and everything was fine after that. User error. I don't think it's because of the tune. Reason number one: if you're deciding to get tuned, do not tune your car stock. It don't make no sense, bro. You're just wasting your money. So there's a couple things that you have to think about before getting tuned. You don't want to tune a stock car because it don't make no sense. It's still gonna have the same thing. I don't know why Nissan makes the car 330 horsepower but only gives you 290 or something like that, 260. I'm pretty sure. You could Google that. My mods right now, I have SR, long tube headers, and I have Megan white pipe. And then you already know, you gotta rock that Tomei. I feel like the Tomei and the Motordyne is the best sounding exhaust on these cars. This shit be screaming. And as I said before, I shoot flames, you know what I'm saying? The VQ. Shoot some crazy flames. I do recommend you get some mods, some supporting mods before you get it tuned. But yeah, so to go along with the car, you gotta make sure everything is like up to date, your maintenance is good and everything. I had to get new spark plugs, change my oil, and stuff like that. It's mandatory. I mean, it's better for you, better for your car, makes it more like healthy, makes it run like good and everything. But yeah, I had to get new spark plugs, new coil packs, and oil change. That was pretty much it for now. I had to drive like almost 2 hours. I think, yeah, I'm pretty sure like 2 hours to get this thing tuned. It was worth it. There was a lot of cars there. Yeah, it was a pretty good day. Check that video out. But yeah, for the spark plugs, I think I went with NGK. I got them from AutoZone. They were like $100, bro. I'm not gonna lie. That shit was expensive. You gotta make sure you do your maintenance so your car doesn't blow up, because these cars are known to blow up, chat. Do your maintenance. So you may ask, how is the drivability? Is it gonna run good? Is it gonna be weird? Is it gonna fucking blow up? Nah, you just gotta make sure you do your maintenance. Make sure you take care of the car. Make sure you do everything before you get tuned. You know, make sure everything is good. But for my car, I have 4 maps. I have map 1, which is a performance map / race map. And for map 2 is a pops and flames. And for map 3 is a performance. So it helps you save gas. But listen, that shit did not save no damn gas. Right now, before I got tuned, I think I had like 16 miles per gallon. Now I get 15.7. It's not good, but it's not bad, you know. It's a VQ. Come on, you can't expect too much from this. You know what I'm saying? It's like a 10-year-old car. That shit, chat. But me personally, I like to drive in the pops and flames map, because it just, you know, I just fell in love with the car way more when I got tuned, bro. It's just like so fun. But honestly, in my opinion, I think you should get all the mods first before you get it tuned, because for example, if you want to go long tube headers, or if you want to go 3-inch intakes, if you don't already have intakes, you're gonna have to get a retune for those, because your car's gonna run weird. And I recommend you get all those like mods first before you get it tuned. Other than that, I haven't really gotten any problems with the car. The car runs good. I do my oil change every 25,000 miles. Damn, just to make sure everything, like, you know, runs good, and make sure this shit don't blow up, because it's my daily and I cannot wait to wrap it, bro. The color is gonna be so fire. I just can't wait. Yo, this shit's gonna be tough, bro. I'm thinking about getting new wheels. Let me know in the comments what wheels I should get. I'm thinking about getting Nismos. I want to get Works, because Works are my dream wheels, but I don't got no money for that shit right now. On the bucket list still, you know. I'm about to get wrapped soon, and I'm thinking about getting some carbon fenders before I get wrapped. And let me know in the comments, should I wrap the hood or should I leave it like this? A lot of people like the exposed carbon, I personally like it. I know a lot of people like wrap it and leave the vents exposed. That looks cool too, but I'm not sure. I'm about to get some carbon fenders too in a few weeks. Hopefully I get them. That would be pretty much it. Gonna get some side skirts. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna get some side skirts. And I'm gonna get a lip for the Nismo bumper. So it sits like, it's gonna look a little bit better than this, you know. Right now it's not painted because I got it off Facebook Market. It's not painted with a car, as you can see. It's a little different. But oh, who this? Oh shit. Yo. Bro started revving. But if y'all got any questions for me, drop them in the comments. I can make another video on it. Any questions you got, drop them in the comments. Let me know below. Follow me on Instagram, like active on Instagram. I post like every day on Instagram. So if you have any questions, anything you want to ask me about the car, my Instagram is right here. If you already know, I'm gonna be put it in the description. Z34_courage. So go follow that. Yeah, but honestly, there's not really much to it to get tuned. Just gotta make sure, as I said a bunch of times, just gotta make sure you keep up with your maintenance. Make sure you do your oil change on time, and make sure the only thing I really need right now, I need a oil cooler and an oil catch can. So whenever like I shoot flames, my temperature will go like boom, like mad high. Because right now it do get hot when I shoot flames, so I have to like to cool down if I want to keep going. I like the flames, I like the pops whenever I drive. Sometimes I drive in the eco map, but to be honest, I don't think that saves gas, bro. That does not save no damn gas. Whether I drive it in or not, it's the same. I get the same miles per gallon. Whenever I like go like on a long drive, I throw it in the pops and flames map, and I just like, you know, I like when it pops. But the good thing is it only pops when it's at like high RPM. So if you're just cruising, you can still drive in it. But if you want to make it pop, you gotta at least get to like 6K plus RPMs. Sometimes mine pops at like 4K when I'm in like third gear. I love this car, man. I fell in love like so much more with the car when I got tuned. Trust me, when you get tuned, you're gonna fall in love with your car like over again. It's gonna feel like a brand new car. Damn near almost shed a tear when I got tuned that day. I'm not gonna lie. Yo, that day was tough, bro. But yeah, if y'all have any questions for me, let me know in the comments. I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, turn on the post notifications, and stay tuned for the next video, y'all. Peace.
Sleepless nights trying to cope with life cause I can't understand it. No, I can't understand it, but why comprehend it? I'd rather just live it and see where it take me. Toughen me up, but y'all niggas can't break me. Got the clip off safety, and that's just for my safety. Niggas want a ball, but don't play D.